Hello and welcome to Clue. Today we are joined with Keogh and Daniel Schaefer from Headroom to discuss their experiences with thinking sessions in Clue. Could you tell us more about the thinking sessions that you are hosting in Clue?
Hi, Yanni. Sure. Thinking sessions are a type of workshop which work particularly well in virtual reality for decentralized teams. We've created a framework for it, which we think works really well.
Interesting. Can you tell us more about this framework you're using?
Sure, Yanni. First, we start with a motion loop exercise, which works as think about like an icebreaker. The idea is to get the people used to the expressing themselves in the space and sync them so they have this feeling of togetherness, being together in as a team in VR. The idea is for one avatar to show a motion, for example, hands up. And then the next person in the ring has to repeat that motion, so they do hands up, rolling. So after the motion loop, we move to the next step called a silent walk. So participants have given 2 minutes to wander around and enjoy this beautiful scenery and think about what they want to bring as an input into the workshop. So it's really 2 minutes to get focused, ramp up, and then going into the thinking session.
And then it's time for the thinking session itself. So participants start to collaborate, they start sharing their thoughts, they discuss and express their ideas.
We do a recording of the session, and afterwards we plug the recording into an AI to transcribe and analyze the results. And this is really a huge innovation, which is possible that you don't that you only work with language as the interface, and it really comes handy for the teams because they can focus on their discussion and the ideas they develop.
And if there are any action points that result from the session, everyone has to stand up and explain what their individual action points will be, and that also then goes into the audio recording, and we can assign action points to people at a later date. It's nice.
All right. Thank you, Sean and Daniel, for sharing your approach. It was very insightful. And that's Clue in action with Headroom.